to be doing a quest. I'm going to be talking to this person and start up their quest. Have you started on your travels too? Isn't it like totally awesome? Oh wow, they say, oh me gosh, that's not good. I'm so happy I ran into someone as cool as me on the road. I'm Rosie, by the way. They just complimented theirself. Oh, duh, you came to see me. You must want to talk about something. What's up? Here you go. Wow, I didn't realize I had fans all the way out here in the middle of nowhere. Thanks. That's weird. You've been super helpful during this trip. You rule, silly. Please don't call me that. That's, it's weird. Oh, I have enough fish for this quest. Talk to me, silly. Tell me a story. Being so talented and popular means it's my responsibility to give back to my community. That's why every time you do something nice for me, I'll give you a gift. And hey, maybe you could use for some crafting. Silly? That's weird. Cute essence. Okay then. Well, now I'm really glad that I did not choose the cute thing. Oh, I just got a new animal. Oh, and some new items. She's clapping a lot. Okay, anyways, I'm about to talk to her again. Oh, do you have some new gossip? No. Oh, they can come to my campsite. Okay, here you go. For me, oh, nothing means more than a gift from the fan. She has the wrong idea. You've been super helpful during this trip. You rule. Okay. Ooh. Got some stuff. Got campsite movie screen and some request tickets. Okay. Then we get money for that. Ooh, some silver treats. Okay. There, got my quest. Now I can talk to her again. Is something up? Because it looks like something is up. Also, her name is Rosie, by the way. Ooh, you are like my hero. Everything from the ocean is just so pretty. Whenever I see something on the beach, I have to pick it up. Actually, it's becoming a problem. If you take a look at my collections, I'll let you take a few pieces off my hands. Or a few hundred. That's a lot. Whoa. Wow, look at how many cool shells Rosie has collected. Amazing. Your help just means so much to me. Oh, I'm on level 2 now, by the way. And like on my person. Okay. Additional request. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I just did some of Rosie's quest. I'm gonna invite her to my campsite. This is kind of embarrassing, but I've been like dreaming of the day you'd invite me to your campsite. Thing is, I'm kind of a hardcore believer of feng shui, so I need things to be a certain way. I'd hate to throw off my spiritual compass. Why do you have a spiritual compass? So could you make some preparations for my arrival? Okay then. That's weird. But yeah, once your campsite is up to my personal standards, get in touch, okay? Head over lickety split. Okay. See if I talk to her again. Okay, so just gonna craft something real quick.